So overall, I'm pleased with the progress so far. So last video was doing these little brackets, then made a few of these and threaded and now bent up ready for plating. So that was really good. And these brackets, they're coming on really well. So that's that bit on the mechanism there. I will obviously plate these up before I press the brass in, but they went well. Got holes and then they're threaded there as well. So I'm going to move on to this bit. There's my blank, and in this video I'm again going to make a jig. I think I've got these kind of scrap aluminium bars here, so I'm hoping what I'll do is mill in really just a slot just to keep this in place, and then I can go ahead and basically drill the holes that I need to. Sorry, that was really my fault. Okay, I'm going to end this video here with a bit of a summary and a bit of clean up on the desk here. But so it all went well so far. The jig went well as in the video. I've been able to do these two holes in this one here, and I went ahead and on my bender that I just mount on my plate desk here, I bent it, but I'm having a little bit of an issue. So on this part here, I've basically bent it too wide. You can see it kind of overwraps that. Generally it looked good, but my whole position on this just didn't work out well. So a bit of a frustrating end, and kind of brought me to a little halt. Sometimes you get a bit of blockage in the project, don't you? And so kind of put it down for a little while and rethink. My problem is here with my bender, well, partly, and where I've kind of drawn the lines to bend, but I'm going to have to rethink and remodel this because I got some play here, and I find in when I lift this up and I bend, just the pressure is pushing this back, so I don't think I'm getting as much of a neat bend as I possibly can on here. So I'm going to remodel and rethink this so it's much more fixed at the point that it should be. But yeah, so I'm chuffed at that part so far, and so I made a bunch so far, and over on my mill, yeah, I went for a couple. They were scrap. We'll ignore those ones, but third time lucky. um I was able to mount it up and obviously do the main bearing, and measure this one out. So my jig's kind of set in place to repeat this operation. I just thought before I do all the bends, rather all the holes, I need to go back over to the bending plate, and I need to make sure that was correct. I wanted to get the bend correct and make sure this hole placement was totally correct, but not quite working out as I wanted so far. So yeah, we'll rethink it, come back to it. But that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. Please do follow for some more.